guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Zillow Rental Manager. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be pretty new in Zillow here and you're wondering how do you start using it. But we first need to discuss what does Zillow do. Where Zillow here is a platform that enables you to basically buy, rent, or even sell property. So for example, if you want to buy a home or a location or a specific plot, well in this case, you should be able to buy a home in Zillow. Now if you want to sell, you could basically sell it yourself or find an agent via the platform. Now if you have, like, for example, you are looking to rent your property and you want to earn something on the side there, well you could basically use the rent option. So in this case, what is the first thing that we'll be discussing here? So first is going to be the buy. Now we are currently in the main webpage for Zillow, which is zillow.com. And in this case, let's go hover over the buy section here at the top section. Now you have the home for sale here, which in this case allows you to search for a home that is currently for selling, or they're currently selling right now. So in this case, you also have the option to look for homes that is in new construction. So coming soon, which is in this case are upcoming homes that will be on sale. You have recent home sales, which in this case recently sold. Also home sales here, open houses, for sale by owner, foreclosures, and home for sale here. Now in this case, you might notice there's resources here. Now the great thing about Zillow here is whether you're buying, renting, or selling, they actually give you resources to inform you on what you need to know when you're buying, renting, or even selling. Because we all know navigating that field or in that region can be confusing. So having a guide can help you a lot. So Zillow actually helps you with that. In this case, maybe I want to look for homes for sale. Now the great thing about Zillow here is you have the option to search specific locations like city, neighborhood, or zip here. You can just basically enter that, and from here you also have the filter to either look for sale, for rent, or sold property. You also have the price here, like for example list price here, or monthly payment, and the minimum and the maximum for that. You also have the option to choose how many bedrooms, bathrooms that you're looking for, the home type. So in this case, we have houses, townhomes, multifamily, condos, co-ops, lots, apartments, or manufactured. We also have the more option here, which is further like for example further filters that you can use. So in this case, you have HOAs here, like for example if you want to choose any or no HOA fee here of $50 a month and whatnot. So in this case, you could even filter them out. Also have the listing type here. So in this case, if you want to basically search by agent, so if it's someone is actually basically listing it through an agent, or if they're selling it through the owner itself, so you need to directly contact the owner itself. Also, there's going to be a lot of filters that you can access here, like coming soon, the tours, parking spots, the square feet, if you want to be specific on those specific sizes. Now in this case, if you want to save your search, just click on save search here, and if you want to change your map layers, this is how you do it. If you want to zoom out and whatnot, it is how you do it. In this case, we might be wondering what are the other features again that you can access here. Well, in this case, you could also sell. In this case, in the sell option here, as you can see, we also have the resources and the selling options. So you have two options here in selling in Zillow. So you have the option to find an agent to sell the property for you, or you can basically post this as an owner. So let's go ahead and click on sell here. Now, in this case, if you want to find an agent for yourself, just click on find an agent here. It should direct you to another page here, which in this case, you'll be able to basically paste a location here if you want to look for an agent, or if you're looking for a specific agent, you can enter their name here and the specialties and languages if you want to basically have a proper conversation with them, because sometimes agents speak are multilingual. So if they can speak any specific language and you can converse more, well in this case they can help you with that. Now, in this case, if you want to sell it yourself, you could choose the post your home for sale. So yourself, you are going to be the one posting it. So you need to enter some details about your property and just click on continue. And you need to fill out a bunch of details here for you to actually put your home for sale. Now, in this case, if you want to basically paste or rent your property, you could choose the rent option here. This case, you'll be able to basically see the Dexter Rentals, Renter Hub here, and resources again. Now you also have the option to view the affordability calculator here, which in this case give you your calculator here that allows you to see if you can actually afford it. Like for example, your monthly net income, your monthly debt, if you have any, and monthly savings and monthly expenses, they would actually calculate that for you. So you don't need to do the math yourself. Now, in this case, if you want to manage your rentals, so to be at the top right here, you could go to the manage rentals here. Let's go ahead and click on it, and it should redirect you to the properties that you have posted right now. If you want to add a property on your account, just click on add property here and fill out all the details needed, and from then on you should be able to add your property. Now in this case, in this page here, you should be able to also see the messages. Like for example, people message you regarding a property, you should be able to see the messages section here, which in this case, again, you'll be able to see the conversations or messages that you receive on your account. Now, if you want to edit your account, you just need to click on the profile at the top right here and choose the account settings option. By the way, creating an account in Zillow is actually pretty easy. So when you go to their official website, which is Zillow.com, typically you should see the top right here that says sign in or sign up. So you just need to click on it and choose your preferred method of creating your account. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.